I'm on my way to MG Live at Silverstone, the home of the British Grand Prix. This is the largest gathering of MG owners in the world. This is absolutely incredible. It's just a sea of MGs. It's a sea of steel and chrome and flat caps and beards. I seem to be getting quite a lot of stares. Maybe they know this isn't a true MG. Maybe they just like the car. Let's go find out. Hello, guys. Do you know what I've got?
It's a frontline car, isn't it?
It is, yeah. You know your stuff.
Yeah, we like these. This is like a modern take on an MGB, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Smart little kit.
It is.
It is beautiful. I mean, that is the ultimate, really, in MGBs.
Would you have one?
Well, no, because I like original cars.
Oh, you like originals?
Yeah.
And how much is this?
Well, why don't you guess? Throw a number out there.
I don't know, 80 grand?
Higher. Costs a fair bit of money.
Great, so you could have 90 or 100
Yeah.
rescue cars like this.
Yes. Yeah, or one of these. What would you go for?
So, a mixed bag from the punters, but what do the club's top brass think?
I've got an Abingdon edition outside. You've got this old-looking shell with modern interior, modern underpinnings.
It brings the two things together. I think it's fantastic.
Don't you think it kind of ruins the authenticity of the original?
Oh, no, not at all.
Is it true to the spirit of the original?
Well, it's progress, isn't it? It's keeping the name of MGs going. I'm always interested to know what MGs would have done if they'd still been going today.
How cool is this? I've been invited to take part on this parade lap at MG Live. At first I thought that they might hate the Abingdon edition, but that couldn't be further from the truth. I learned that people in the MG club, they're not elitist. They just want to have fun together as part of a group. It might not be for me, but it's great that it puts a smile on so many people's faces.